Hello everyone, welcome back to WebTech tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to help you learn how to fix Instagram Reels not showing. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. If you don't see the Reels option on your Instagram, it might be because the feature has not rolled out to your account yet. It is possible that your phone or your Instagram app hasn't been updated in a while. So you can go ahead and go to your Play Store or your App Store and search for Instagram to update your Instagram to its latest version. Tap on the update button and wait until it downloads on your device. Once you update your Instagram, tap open your Instagram application and see if it works. If it still doesn't fix your issue, then go and tap on Settings button on your device. Scroll down and tap on Apps and search for Instagram in the search box. After you find the app, tap on Storage and tap on Clear Cache at the bottom right corner. Now, tap on Clear Data at the bottom left corner and tap on OK from the pop-up. After you do that, go back to your Instagram application and see if the Reels option is available. If not, you can go ahead and uninstall your Instagram application by tapping on the Uninstall button and then reinstall it back on your device. Those were some of the fixes that you can try out whenever you are not being able to see the Reels option on Instagram. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was in any way, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.